Are you considering to buy your first FPV drone, but you want to be safe on your first flights, but also to be able to improve and make more and more advanced movements and acrobatics with your drone? If that's the case, this could be the drone you are looking for. Hi everyone, I'm Andrés Araújo and welcome to a brand new FPV drone review. I've been flying FPV drones for almost a year now, mainly creating cinematic drone videos to step up my work as a filmmaker. I spent my first months of flying and practicing with a 5-inch drone, this one, the iFlight Nazgul 5, which is very cool, an amazing drone, and today it's my main quad for a lot of scenarios, mainly outdoors. But do you see this? It's like having a knife or 4 knives flying around, and if you're not a good pilot yet, you will eventually crash, like I did a lot of times and I still do. And that's not gonna be good. And you will break some parts of the drone. Of course, the first thing that you are gonna change are the propellers. It could easily get stuck into a tree, and in the worst case, you could hurt someone with these propellers. There are also another type of quads that are meant to be for beginners, like the Beta FPV Cinewhoops or these small drones that look like a toy. But in the end, you will want to buy a bigger FPV quad, put a GoPro on it and create content and share amazing videos on your social media. But now, iFlight created this small piece of technology called the Protek35. And before I show you how it flies, I'm gonna tell you this is a perfect combination of an indoors drone that you could easily fly through windows in your house or inside a restaurant, a hotel, but it's also powerful enough to fly outside in windy conditions, similar to a 5-inch drone like this one. Usually, this kind of drones, called Cinewhoops, don't perform well outside, especially in windy conditions, because of these ducts that are usually bigger in other models. But with the Protek35, they made these ducts thinner but stronger enough so they act as protectors when you crash into a tree or into a wall or even a person, and in this case you are not hurting anyone. I've been testing this drone for a couple of weeks now thanks to iFlight that made this possible, and it flies amazing. Outside it feels a little bit heavier than my Nazgul 5, but I still freestyle with it. I can do rolls, flips and power loops and fast turns and even cage moving subjects. I'm not a very good pilot flying indoors yet, as you can see in this footage. I still crash a lot. But if you see my Protek35, it's like new, like outside the box. There's not even a scratch on it. And that's incredible. That's how strong this thing is. But the thing that I like the most about it is that I can fly around people without worrying if I'm getting too close to the subject. I feel safe flying it. And also I know that if I crash, it's not the end of the filming day, as it is usually with my 5-inch quad. So, is this the best beginner-friendly all-in-one drone for outdoors and indoors? Well, I think yes, it is. Especially if you want to strap a full-size GoPro on it like I do, to create cinematic videos in 4K. They have also a smaller version of it called the Protek35, and also they released recently the Protek35 Pusher that probably will be on this channel soon, but it can't handle a full-size GoPro. You have to use another smaller camera or make a naked GoPro to reduce the weight of the camera. But if you're like me that like to fly with a normal full-size GoPro on it, fly outside close to people and also indoors without worrying about crashing, this is the drone for you. There is only one negative thing about this drone, and it's that it's really loud. People will hear this drone even if they are not close to it. But all the drones on this category, the Cinewhoops, are allowed too. So it's something I can live with. So now let me show you a short video I made with a compilation of some shots that I've done with this drone. Let me know what you think about it, and I hope you enjoy my flights. What about the price? Well, you can buy this drone for about $400 for the digital version, which is the version that I own, and also the analog version is on the market for around $250. Links in the description. Thanks for watching this review. I hope it was useful for you. Consider subscribing if you want to watch more content like this, and please like the video before you leave. That helps my channel a lot. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.